my X-Carve etching some plexiglass or acrylic. Going a little deeper than I wanted to, but it's going to be alright. Pretty cool setup. CNC router. Do aluminum, wood, acrylic, plastic, ABS. Pretty cool. Check it out. Pretty nice setup. Takes a long time to put together, but after you get it done, it's awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Check out my links in the video in the description, and take it easy.